Hello everyone. Before we go go back in ERQ, that is actually follow the sliding window protocol. So firstly we discuss about sliding window protocol. Okay, here is the thing. Every sender and receiver are use a window like that. Here this green color symbol is mentioned, that window. That particular thing is known as the sender side window or sending window, and when this particular window is used by receiver, that particular window is known as receiving window. Okay, that is the main features of this sliding window protocols is the sequence number of the frame or data. Okay, that is basically always be considered from sequence number from 0 to 2 to the power n minus 1. That is the ranging the sequence number from 0 to 2 to the power n minus 1. So first sequence number, data frame number will be, if we consider frame 1 or data 0. Second will be data frame sequence number will be 1, then 2, and so on. Here that basically the 2 to the power n minus 1 means the value of n will be any arbitrary number. So for this example, we will consider n equal to 2. That means what will be the range of the sequence number of the frame? That will be starting from 0 to 2 to the power n. That means 2 to the power 2, because we will consider n equals to 2. That means 4 minus 1, that is 3. So sequence number of the frame, data frame will be from starting from 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3, then again 0, 1, 2, 3, then again 0, 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay. Now that particular sequence number which is belongs to the sending window are considered at most 2 to the power n minus 1. Okay, at most, that is the maximum will be 2 to the power n minus 1. So 2 to the power n minus 1 means that is 2 to the power n. Here is the n equals to 2. So 4 minus 1, that is 3. So maximum capacity of this window will be at most 2 to the power n minus 1, that is 3. So here we consider the maximum number is 0, 1 and 2. Total sequence number is 0, 1, 2, 3. That is actually repeat, the ranging will be 0, 1, 2, 3, again 0, 1, 2, 3, again 0, 1, 2, 3, like this, so on. And through this sequence number which is belongs to the sending side window, that is considered as 0, 1, 2, because the sending side capacity of the sequence number capacity of the sequence number is at most 2 to the power n minus 1. That is maximum is for this example, that is we'll consider as, that is 3. So that is basically considered as sending side window, and from this, that is actually here 0, sequence number 0, frame sequence number 1 and 2 are belongs to sending side window. Okay. Now the thing is same as consider as receiver side also. That is also we are considered that same sequence number actually it wants to receive, that is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, like that. And in receiver side here also belongs to a different window, that is known as receiving window, and that particular sequence number that is belongs to this receiving window, that means that particular sequence number it actually wants to receive. Okay. Now the thing is that particular sequence number that is belong to sender side window, that is sending window, that is made transmitted from sender side to receiver side without acknowledged. Okay, without acknowledgement it can send. So that is basically that protocol is actually here we use like that. Data frame 0 first will send. Okay, that means the receiver only receive the data frame which is actually belongs to this receiving window. except other sequence number that is rejected by receiver. So here data frame 0 is sending from sender side, and what happened, that particular 0 frame number, return number, that is belongs to receiver side window. Okay, then what happened, it is received the data. Okay, now that basically both the window we can consider shrink or grow from, that is actually sliding towards left to right, like that. So here when receiver receive the frame number 0, that particular window is slided towards 1. So here from this window we'll consider only 2 frame are right now, frame sequence number, that is 1 and 2. So basically in receiver side right now we'll consider only 2 frame are considered to receive, that is sequence number 1 and sequence number 2. And that is the thing, already 0 frame number but data number sequence number is already sent. It can send second, that is data frame 1, before it get the acknowledgement of frame number 0. So basically we can consider it can send, sender can send more than 1 frame 1 by 1 without acknowledged, that is belongs to this sliding window, sender side sending window. Okay, now suppose in the meantime SEK2 send, after receiving data frame 1, receiver send the SEK2. That means when SEK2 received by the sender, that means when that is actually SEK by acknowledgement is cumulative. That is the thing is when SEK2 received by the sender, that means SEK2 means already received frame number 1. That is the thing. SEK2 means it already received frame number 0 and frame number 1. Okay. Now the thing is, it is confirmed that that 0 number frame sequence and 1 sequence number frame are already received by the receiver. So it is slided towards right. Now that particular window of sender side is considered 2, 3 and 0, like that. So here will, that is the maximum number of size, maximum at most 3 frame, 3 sequence number it can consider for this window. So when we can acknowledge, so basically when sending side window follow the sequence number, that is belongs to, that is the meaning of that is frame can send from sender side but without acknowledgement. So that means here 0 and 1 are already acknowledged, that is not is under this window, and 2, 3 can send from sender side. And here the thing is when we'll slide the window in receiver side, when a receiver sends the acknowledgement towards sender, any data by any frame is received by the receiver, it must be acknowledged. So that particular acknowledgement when sent from the receiver, it is slided towards right, and it follow the maximum number of window size, maximum window size. So that is the basically thing, sender side window, sending window and receiving window, that may be same or not. Okay, that is follow. For this example we'll consider both are same size. It may be receiver sender size is at most 2 to the power n minus 1, here we consider, and receiver, that is not always true, both the window is same size, it may be same, it may be different. Okay, now that is the thing, that particular rule, that particular protocol is used in next 2 protocol, that is ARQ protocol, that is go back N ARQ and selective repeat ARQ. Okay, now that we will discuss